Hi, this is our lesson number 3 in the conversion of units. Today I will show you 3 examples of volume unit conversion, 2 in volume and 1 in density. So we are still in the English system measurement. So if we have a volume of 47 centimeter cubed, they ask us to show it in foot cubed. So 47 centimeter cube, they want it in feet, so that will be in this way. So 47 centimeter cubed, we multiply by, so we need to go from centimeter to inch first, so we can go directly to foot. So in 1 inch we have 2.54 centimeter. Okay, and because it is cubed, we need to cube all this. Okay, so from here we need to go also again, we don't want to stay in inch, we need to move from inch to foot, so that will be in 1 foot we have 12 inches. Okay, this is also cubed. So what we could do now, we say that is equal 7 centimeter cubed times, so we have 1 inch cubed over 2.54 cubed as well, centimeter cubed, okay, times 1 feet cubed over 12 cubed, and the inches is also cubed. So the cubed centimeter will cancel with, let me change the color so it will be more visible. So the centimeter cubed will cancel the centimeter cubed. We have here inch cubed will cancel the inch cubed, so we remain with feet, 1 feet here cubed. So the answer will be, but we still have the numbers, so that will be equal 7, so the centimeter cancelled, that is time 1 over, the numbers is still there, 2.54 cubed, we don't forget the cube, and multiply by 1 over 12, also cubed. Okay, so the only units left is foot cubed. Okay, so that will be, if we calculate it, that is 0.0000166 foot cubed. Okay, that's the answer. If we want to put it in standard form, so if we moved the cursor, the point from the right to the left, so the amount that we move it, we have to put it in power of 10, so that will be 1.66 times 10 to the power minus 3 foot cubed. Why it is minus 3? Because we moved here, you see here, this is 1, 2, 3, so we moved 3 times to the right, yeah, to the right. So if we move the cursor or the point to the right, by the numbers that we move, we make it minus 10 to minus 3 feet. If we move to the left, then it should be 10 to the power of positive number. I will see it in different example. So our next example is they ask us to convert a volume of 7 pints to milliliter. Okay, so 7 pints to milliliter. We know that 1 gallon equal 8 pints. Okay, so from there we can start converting. So we say 7 pints equal 7 pints times. So again we can move directly. We move first from gallon to pint. So 1 gallon, that is equal 8 pints. Okay, and from there we can move to liter. So that will be 4.546. Let me delete this one. 56 liter over 1 gallon. So 1 gallon equal 4.546 liter. Okay. Then we multiply this by, so if we move a little bit this way, so multiply this by, because we need to convert the liter to milliliter. 1000 milliliter is equal to 1 liter. Yeah? 1 liter. Okay, so from this step we can cancel. So we have pint here. Let me change the color. Pint here will cancel with this pint. Gallon will cancel with gallon. So this is liter, will cancel with this liter. So we remain with milli, but we still have a lot of numbers inside. So that is equal 7 times, you remain with 1 over 8. Okay, times, here we remain with 4.546 times here 1000. The only unit left is milliliter. That is equal, if we put this in our calculator, that will give us 3.978 milliliter. Okay, again, if you want to put it in a standard form, you move the cursor or the point this way. So if I say here 1, 2, 3, and I will put the 3 out there, 3.978 times 10 to the power, how many? 3, yeah, 3 point milliliter. That should be the final answer. Okay, so that is for the volume. Let us do an example in density. So they ask us to convert a density of 180 pound per foot cube to gram per centimeter cube. So that is in the same way. That is 180 pound per foot cube equal 180. So we have pound. Per means over here. 50 cube time. Okay, we know that in 1 pound we have 3.6 gram. Okay, over, this gram is not mine, yeah? Over 1 lb. Good, that is time. We know that in 1 foot we have 12 inches. Okay, remember the cube, and here, okay, times, let me move a little bit this way, times, okay, in 1 inch, how many centimeter we have? 2.54 cubed, okay, centimeter also, all of it cubed. Let me take this away so I don't confuse you. 2.54, all of it cubed. Okay, so second step, what we do, that is equal, we need to cancel. Okay, but before we cancel, we'll put it in another step so it wouldn't be very confusing. So 180, 1 pound over foot cube times 453.6 gram over 1 pound. Okay, I'll cancel later, I'll come back to it, times 1 foot cube over, now we'll put the 12 cube by itself because we need to cancel the inches, an inch cube by itself here, and the last one times 1 inch cubed over, we leave the 2.54 cubed by itself, and then here also the centimeter by itself, centimeter cube, because we need to cancel. Okay, so from here we can cancel, change the color, so the pound is cancelled, the inches is cancelled, and do we have centimeter somewhere? No, because we need the centimeter here. The feet is cancelled. Okay, so we remain with gram here, and we remain with centimeter here. Okay, so we'll see it in the next step. So that will be equal 180. Okay, the units cancel, times, we still have the number 453.6, that is times 1 over 12 cubed. Okay, make it a bracket so we know that this is over the 12 itself, not only the 2, times 1 over 2.54, also make a bracket to show it is the cube on the whole number. And what we have here, gram over centimeter cubed. Okay, so that will be our answer. That is almost, so it's not exactly, but almost 2.88 gram per centimeter cubed. That is what they ask us for. If you see the form is okay, so you don't need to convert it to standard form. Okay, so what we did in this examples, we showed we are still in the English system units. So this is the volume and density is from the derived units, not from the main one we mentioned in the first video, and it is still the English system. So we show the conversion of volume from centimeter cube to foot cube, and we showed also the volume conversion of from pint to milliliter, and also the density from pound per foot cube to gram per centimeter cubed. Thank you so much. So the next video we will have 2 examples also. I will show you the conversion of pressure and weight in the same system, the English measurement system. Thank you for watching.